Hello, Adrian. Hello, everyone else.
Hello, Karin. Hello, everybody.
Today, we want to speak about language when we give feedback. Adrian, can you give some examples? What would be language that actually moves the manager away from the behavior he or she would like to see?
Karin, a few examples would be, I don't want my team members to miss deadlines. I don't want them to be late. I don't want them to make mistakes. This is the language that moves people away from something. Now, Karin, what would be a better choice of words when it comes to this?
Yeah, so a better choice would be to always speak in terms what behavior you would like to see. Even though this seems like a small, very small and subtle change, it makes a big difference in your energy when you deliver feedback. And the employee will also be more receptive for the feedback when they hear you are there to help them improve certain behaviors. So, better language would be um, I want you to be on time, or how can I help you to meet your deadlines? So it's always about what you would like to see rather than telling them uh, what you don't want to see. The other aspect is if you say, I don't want you to be late, from a psychology perspective, you speak adult to child, which really means if you say, I don't want you to do this, and you treat employees like children, you will get childish behavior. So this is very important to consider when you deliver feedback.
To summarize, focus on the behavior you want to see rather than the one you don't want to see. This was our message for today, and we will definitely see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.